this is the Smart Excel. This is the continuation for my previous videos where I use Power Query append formulas. So here you can already know that there is, please refer to my previous videos. So you can know that there is my current and saving accounts for first and second quarter and how it has been changed in third and fourth quarter. So this is my first and second quarter, and here you can see uh, there is a table. So this is a table. So there is a this is worksheets, and there is a pivot table. So and the data you can see debit and credit, and in the first and second quarter is in this format. So in the third and this is the third and fourth quarter. So in the third and fourth quarter, you can see the data has been changed. The bank has changed that. So now before it was debit and credit were two separate columns, but now they make into single column. So whatever is a negative is a debit, and whatever is a positive is a credit. So you can see now these two data are for 1 year. So the problem is I want to continue. These are the worksheets. This is a pivot table, and apart from that we have two tables. So instead of taking this, converting into tables and making a data out of it, so I will show you how to do things very simplify the things and make it more compatible. So what I'll be doing is I will not be copying this data and converting to table and all the stuff. I'll be using this whole folder for my data analysis. So I'll be making a new sheet. In this new sheet I'll be going to data. So there are different ways over here, so but I'll be going to firm file and from folder. So I have you can browse the location, but I have copied the location and I will be pasting it, and I'll be doing it OK. So the data, there are different options over here. It is the latest version of Power Query. So you can edit, you can load and load too. But I want both the data together. If I want to do this thing separately, I can do by selecting one each. But I want to do it together. So I'll be doing combine and edit. So when you see the data dialog box, there is a first file and second file. If you want to segregate the data separately, but I want, as I told you, I want those things together. So I'll be using no option. I'll be hitting the. I'm clicking here. So if you don't click here, you will not get the OK function. So now, if after hitting this one, this is going to be highlighted. So I want all the data together in one basket. So I'll be doing this as OK. You can see that the data has been transformed, and all the sheets what I showed you, these are the filter data. So there are tables, and this is the data as I require 1 2 3 and 4. So this is I think this is a pivot table, and so on and on. So I want to magnify this data. I want to break this, and I just require that I will just be taking the data which I require. So as I showed in my previous video also, I'll be doing it into text filters. So I'll be doing text filter that contains, so I want only sheets from here. So I will just want sheets. So I'll be selecting this and typing this as to sheet, and I'll go making advanced and in this table I will be using only current and saving. So other than that, anything containing sheets already will be magnified. Let me show you first. So only sheets are there, other things are already been vanished. So I can do this by selecting here one by one also, but I want to make something more concrete. So I'll be doing with the special special formula, special functions, advanced function, that is and all. So and this is my name function. So I'll be using name here. So this is going to be names that does not begin or does not contain. So the name does not begin this sheet and all. I don't want those things. So if there is something like sheet and all, means that data is not it is irrelevant. So that is not of my use. So I'll be typing this into sheet and OK. So now this is the data I require. So there is both current and savings, and also the other things are not to my use. So after this, I'm just taking a small break, and I will be showing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Bye.